According to researchers in the U.S., ChatGPT is capable of passing the U.S. medical licensing exams. In a preprint study that has not yet been peer-reviewed, researchers at a California-based healthcare provider, Ensemble Health, have explored the upper limits of ChatGPT's capabilities. They tested the AI on the 3 USMLE exams that are required to be licensed to practice medicine. ChatGPT achieved more than 50% across all exams and some of the most difficult standardized tests around. This means ChatGPT is now comfortably within the passing range. It would normally take most medical students more than a year of dedicated preparation, with the first 2 tests taking a day each and the last taking 2 days. The researchers fed questions from previous exams to ChatGPT and its answers, which ranged from open-ended written responses to multiple choice, independently scored by 2 physician adjudicators. This is a major concern for educators, as it opens the door to widespread cheating on homework and take-home assignments. This week, the New York school system banned the use of ChatGPT, and Australian universities have said they may now have to reinstate pen and paper exams and beef up cheating detection measures. Philip Dawson, an academic integrity researcher at Deakin University, said, "If the authors really did what they say they've done, then that's scary stuff. There's a sense that this is going to be even bigger than the pandemic in terms of how it changes assessment." Would you trust a doctor that used ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments.